Hey guys, MartyBoots here. Today I want to talk to you about Bitcoin and the potential manipulation in this market. Um, Last September, October, I made a lot of videos saying that when a lot of people were calling for 9K, 5K, 7K, Bitcoin's going lower. If you check my feed, and I've got a couple of accounts, if you check them, you will see that I made a lot of videos saying that Bitcoin is going to go parabolic. Now, I'm not sure where, yeah, got it. Now, I made a lot of videos in here saying that Bitcoin is going to go parabolic, and people told me I was on drugs. People told me that I had no clue what I was doing, even though I've been trading for 15 years. The amount of abuse I got on social media, on TradingView, on Facebook, on what do you call YouTube. People told me I was on drugs, and I hadn't a clue what I was doing. Now, I'm here to tell you today that, potentially these very same people are going to be writing to me today and telling me that I'm on drugs, okay, and they're going to be going off again because they missed the bottom. I did not miss the bottom, right? But they missed the bottom because they were too busy telling me I'm on drugs. Now, what I'm here to tell you today, it might surprise you, um, but I'm not saying that Bitcoin is topped here, right? But what I want to talk to you about now, I don't know if you can see this, but I'm going to play this anyway. Maybe you can hear it. If you can, I'm not sure if TradingView picks this up. They're fundamental guys. These people are coming out on the news and saying that Bitcoin is worth $400,000. Right? To me, this is a crock of shit. Right? And pardon my French. Now, this why would institutions be coming out and telling you people in different institutions and investors pay hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars for important information like this, right? They come out and they come out and telling the open public that their plan and that they're going to trade this to $400,000. They're full of shit, right? They're absolutely full of shit. They are sucking people in right now just like they did back here. They are sucking people in to cause a top in the market, right? Remember back in the top, right? Let me go to a weekly chart actually, right? Remember, I'm going to ask you this question right now, and the majority of people, I know the answer to. When did you enter crypto? When did you enter the crypto space? And I will say that 90% of my viewers, possibly, you know, entered in these 3 week candles, one, two, three, or even these three candles, right? This candle, and this candle. I will bet you that 99, 95% of people enter the crypto space here, right? Now, people are going to tell me I'm on drugs and all the rest, that I'm full of shit. Now, I'm not saying that Bitcoin is topped out here right now. What I'm saying is these guys are gearing up to sell to the public. They are gearing up to offload to sell their positions to the public. Now, it's not happened yet, but you can see today, already today, the volume has increased. Okay, the volume has increased. We teach you all about volume in our group. We teach you all about price in our group. In our live trading room, we teach you all about price. We have 4,000 courses from professional traders and institutions and even banks. We have a lot of courses, almost $1 million worth of courses for our VIP members. On top of that, I make videos and courses of my own and educational material for our members and show you how I trade and my knowledge that I've learned over 15 years. There's educational sections of trade like a pro and what to look for and stuff, and that's all in there. On top of that, we have tons of buy and sell alerts every single day. We have a lot of good content in there, and we have a group of fantastic members, absolutely fantastic members in there as well. Everybody's improving every single day, so it's great to see. Now, guys, let me zoom out a bit here. I'm on my 55-inch TV here, so it's a little bit different than my normal wide-inch 49-inch monitor. So I'm just getting used to it. But I'm not saying that the top is here. What I'm saying is they potentially can be gearing up for this sort of parabolic action to suck in the public. Why the hell are they telling people that they are pumping it out that Bitcoin should be worth $400,000 on the open market, on the open news? Guys, it's fishy. It's fishy. It's bullshit. It's manipulation. Now, the other thing I want to tell you, the whales are buying more than there is being created, right? They are buying more than the miners are producing. They're they're creating a supply shortage, and the demand is increasing because there is the Grayscale is buying up, and the whales and all the other banks and institutions are all buying it up and creating a supply issue. Right, there's too much demand, and there's a supply issue causing the price to FOMO and go higher. Right, back in 19, let me just show you this chart. Back in 1978, what happened in the silver market? Right, any of you who've been trading for a long time, I've only been trading 15 years, guys. Every single day of my life for the last 15 years, basically. And now, I wasn't around back then. I am just under 40. I'm 40 years of age. I'm not this old. I am this old, of course, but I'm not. I didn't trade back then. Now, what happened back then? The Hunt brothers cornered the market, right? And back here, it was a small market. Silver was a small market and easily to manipulate, just like Bitcoin. And the Hunt brothers cornered the market, and they bought up all the silver on the market, more silver than it was getting mined every single day on the planet. That's what the whales are doing right now. They're cornering the Bitcoin market. Guys, it's important to understand that they're creating a supply issue. This is manipulation. This is not the Bitcoin is going to $400,000. Do not get fucking, pardon my French, but do not get trapped and manipulated by these whales. They are going to crash the price at some point. Now, I don't think the top is in. I think we can go higher next year. The chart is beautiful. We have a beautiful bullish yearly 6 month chart. The fundamentals are fantastic. We are going higher longer term, but there is cycles. There is cycles in the market, right? And I believe that they are trying to create FOMO in the market right now, and they're cornering the market like the Hunt brothers did back here in 1978, 79, and 1980. They cornered the market and bought up all the silver available. This caused a spike in price. Now, what happened? The government had to step in and stop the Hunt brothers from cornering the market. They had to stop the manipulation. This is what it was manipulation, manipulating the price to go higher. There was no sellers. There was not enough people to sell the market to go lower because they cornered the market. This is what's happening in Bitcoin right now. They are cornering the market, the small market. There is only 18 million Bitcoin or whatever it is on the planet. They are cornering this market, guys, and they are coming onto the news, pumping it, saying that this is going to $400,000. I don't know if you can hear this. This It should be worth about $400,000 is what they're saying on the live news. Guys, people pay millions and millions and hundreds of thousands to institutions to trade, to get knowledge like this. They're not going to tell you on the public. They're not going to tell you on the news. It's stupid. It's stupid. And this is going to cause people to FOMO, and it's going to cause people to get caught in the market. I'm here to tell you, and you might tell me I'm on drugs, but I'm here to tell you that they're going to drop and crash this price, right? And you can tell me I'm on drugs all you want, but come back to me when we hit 9K and 13K or whatever, right? In the new year. Now, guys, I'm the most bullish person on Bitcoin, but I've been trading a long time. I see this over and over again. Now, we have not topped out. I believe even if this tops out, sorry, let me do that. I didn't mean to draw that. If this tops out, we have gaps here at $9,000, for example. I still think Bitcoin is going to $100,000. Right? I am as bullish as you and everybody else watching this video, and but I'm just telling you that at some point they are going to drop this market. It's too fishy, right? So I'm just saying, be careful. That's all I'm saying, guys. But I'm as bullish as you. I believe we will see $100,000 in the future, but they will need to drop this price to buy it lower. Anyway, guys, that's it for the video. If you want to take the 3-day free trial, we have a group of fantastic members on there, tons and tons of education, and a fantastic group. Just take the 3-day free trial down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.